Hello.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, little tired.
Yeah. What is your name?
Etienne.
Agent.
Yes.
Yeah, where you from?
France.
From France.
Yes.
How long have you stayed here?
For 1 month and a half. Here in Vietnam.
In Vietnam,
Yeah,
1 month?
1 month and a half.
Ah, good.
I have to go back in 10 days.
In 10 days.
Yeah.
Okay. So, which place are you much more interested?
I'm here and
Yeah.
I love this
You like
place.
that?
Yes.
This place, where is here?
Ajang.
Hangzhou?
In Malay.
Yeah, in Malay village.
Malay village. Yeah.
Yeah.
Really great place.
Yeah. So how many nights do you stay in Malay homestay?
After yesterday, before yesterday,
Before yesterday?
and tonight.
Tonight?
This night, yesterday.
This night?
And for tonight.
For
So,
tonight?
Yeah.
So, when will you leave this place?
Maybe in a few hours,
A few hours?
when my friends will get woke up.
Yeah. So, have you already had breakfast yet?
No,
No?
not already.
You don't want to eat?
Not for now.
Well,
Because
so you only had...
I drank too much.
Yeah?
Drink.
You drink? Yeah.
Yeah.
Drink some happy water.
Some, yeah.
Yeah.
A little.
So, last night, did you drink?
Yeah. Of course. Not
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, I drunk a lot.
A lot.
And this morning early, I feel I'm hangover.
Anger, yeah.
Yeah, that's why I wake up very early.
Oh yeah.
I'm sick.
You have to
I
drink
wake up.
water. Me too.
Yeah.
A lot of water. Not happy water.
Not
Just
happy
water.
water. Yeah.
Fresh water.
Tonight you keeping stay here and you will try much more happy water.
No.
Yeah. Tonight, the host they will give you the more stronger. Yeah. And tonight probably you will have more friend
I don't want.
to drink with you.
I don't want.
Why?
Not more.
That is fun. It could be fun.
Yeah, that is fun, but the day after, hangover all day.
Yeah.
No possible. I have to drive.
Yeah.
Motorbike.
Oh,
Yeah.
but don't worry, the police do not catch you.
Not for the police, for myself.
Yeah. Or you can
Myself.
you can cry on the top of the mountain, take a nap on the top mountain.
On the
Yeah.
top mountain.
Yeah, and go to take like have sleep
Yeah.
on the mountain.
Maybe.
Yeah, and we'll have some beautiful girl come to
Maybe with my hammer.
take care of you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. Thank you. Thank you. Travel safe.
Yeah. Did you sleep well last night?
Yeah. Very well. I love the sound of this
Yeah.
place.
Where did you live?
The rain.
Where did you sleep?
In the room.
This room?
With my friend.
Yeah.
After.
This room?
Back.
Ah, the back. Yeah. So did you get mosquito bite?
No.
No.
No mosquitoes and the sounds of rain. Love
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, it is raining.
Yeah.
I do not feel have mosquito
No.
because I drunk,
There,
so I do not feel.
there is not mosquitoes when it rains.
Yeah.
I think so. No, I'm okay. No mosquitoes.
Yeah. I don't know how many of mosquito have bitten me, but
Oh yeah.
I do not feel any problem. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for
Bye.
your speaking.
Yeah.
Bye. See you in next time.
See you next time. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.